sorry, Melissa. I just couldn't help myself. I just wanted to throw it in your face. You just look so scrumptious over there.
Slow motion.
Well, did you have to use
Play.
Damn you! Let's rub it all over your face.
Yes, I do, but only when I put it there.
Well, you know, I just saw you over there, and I just thought, man, pie face, boom!
With Tarantino mode on.
I was like, boom! Pie cannon, boom!
Tarantino mode off.
God, that was so awesome!
Did you have to?
I had to. My pie gun was over there, I just got
Oh, one more time.
One more time. Here's a sponge.
Dinosaur mode on Melissa.
I am going to eat you! Oh my God!
Bollywood mode on Josh.
Maybe if I don't move, he won't see me there.
Pause. Just normal. Play.
Oh.
Where'd you go?
Surprise! Don't do that to me. I just thought, you know, I already got you in the face, I might as well just hurt that heart a little bit.
One more pie.
Yeah.
Pause. Theater Emery faculty mode on. Play.
Looks like we know one person. When you see the pie, just think of that movie American Pie. You know how he loved the pie. He just wanted to be with the pie.
We're gonna do it. I want you to just imagine the pie.
Pause. Director commentary on. Play.
And see, where I was going with that is a wall slide.
A wall slide, oh my God. Yeah, if you did a wall slide into more pies and then guns on the pies and sprayed it in your face.
And then the metaphoric meaning of that, of course, being that strawberries for blood.
Strawberries for blood, it's like a metaphor of life and death and fruit.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a metaphor for death. There it is.
I knew that I had chosen you for a reason.
For a reason, I was just brilliant.
So what we should do is get more pies and then remove them from the floor.
From the floor and then
Slide them on the floor. Off the wall.
Normal mode on. Play.
well, this was a wonderful adventure. It was a wonderful adventure. We went through action, we went through love, we went through pies, dinosaurs.
Hate. Don't forget hate.
Oh, hate. It's always brought with hate.
Yeah. I think I left like pieces of